Me again. Because it's nice to be nice, and not just because the LEGO Group is sponsoring this video, I am coming to the rescue today. There's been a breakdown. My usual method of opening the bonnet and sternly looking at the engine for several minutes somehow failed to solve the issue, though I do have a sneaking suspicion the engine being a LEGO brick has something to do with it. And so, I've commandeered a trailer to take everyone, and their dog, to someone else who can look at it even more sternly than me. Now I just need to safely and securely attach it to my van with a single spindly piece of wire. I think that looks sturdy enough to me. Stay silent if you agree. Well, that's reassuring. I wasn't quite convinced myself. Let's go. Well, it seems the wheels have come off my plan, because a wheel has come off my trailer. And if I've learnt one thing today, it's that you can't tow yourself. So for the time being, we're stuck here. Suppose there's worse places to be stuck. And I take comfort in the fact that if I was willing to help these people earlier, then surely there's someone out there who will help me. You have to have faith that people will be as kind to you as you are to them. Unless you think you're the kindest person in the world. Which is probably not true, unless you're Dolly Parton. So, just have to wait for them to turn up, Dolly or otherwise. Didn't take long before, did it? Oh, really? I hadn't thought. Well, I just assumed that it would. Oh, no, I know, you should never assume, but you have to use your brain. Nope, shouldn't be long. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye again.